Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Facebook Messenger where the delivery icon is not showing whenever you send a message. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, on your iPhone device, go ahead and you need to open the settings menu. In the settings, scroll down and click on the option General. Now click on the option iPhone Storage, scroll down and find the messenger over here. Here is the messenger. Click on it. From here, click on the option Offload app. Click on the option Offload. Now exit. Now here is the messenger app and you can see the cloud icon is showing over here. Now wait for around 30 to 40 seconds and then again click on it to reinstall the messenger on your iPhone. This will clear the cache of your messenger, which help you fix out the issue of delivery icon not showing. And you need to go to the settings, then open the messenger app. In the messenger, you will find the option of storage, and next to the storage, you will find the option of clear cache. Go ahead, choose the option clear cache to clear the cache, and then try to send the message to fix out the issue of delivery icon not showing. If this failed to work out, in next step, again open the settings menu. Now in settings menu, click on the option notifications. Here scroll down and again find the messenger app over here. Here is it. Select the messenger and make sure you turn on the option allow notifications. If it is toggle off, you need to toggle it on. And on Android device, go to the settings, choose apps, and in apps find messenger, and under the permissions make sure you enable all the permissions such as your photos, your location, contacts and notification. Make sure you enable each and every permission under the messenger in the Android device. Once enabling the notification, go ahead and relaunch the game to fix out the issue. If this also failed, the third step is only for the Android users. You need to open up your browser, and I have a website with the name messenger.en.uptodown.com. Scroll down and you will find the option of older versions. Go ahead, click on it. Now scroll down and here all the older versions will be available right in front of you. From here you need to choose a version before July. You can see first 6 versions are for July month. So you need to choose 7th or 8th version and then install this version into your Android device by clicking on it. Scroll down and here you will find the option of download. Download and then install this older version of Messenger, which in turn help you fix out the issue of delivery icon not showing. However, if none of the steps help you fix out the issue, you need to open up your Windows PC and Windows, open the Windows Store. Type in Messenger and hit the enter key. Now here is the Facebook Messenger. Select it. Until the Facebook fix out this issue for you, you can use this messenger. Click on the option get to install it in your Windows PC, and all the delivery icons will start to show right in this messenger of the desktop version. After installing, all the delivery icons will be started to showing. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.